I am Varun Kumar. Now we are going to discuss decimals. In this chapter, we are going to discuss how to multiply a decimal number, how to multiply a two decimal number, how to multiply a decimal number to a whole number, and how to multiply a decimal number to 10, 100, 1000, etc. Multiplication of decimal numbers. We are going to discuss a multiplication of decimal number with the help of example. Suppose that we have to find out 0.21 into 0.4. How we are going to find out? First we have to remove the decimal number, and for removing the decimal number we have to divide the decimal number by a according to the decimal points. We have to write down the 0 on 1, and we can put like here 0.21 can be written as 21 by 100, and 0.4 can be written as 4 by 10 is equals to 21 into 4 equals to 84, 100 into 10 equals to 1000 is equals to 0.084. We see that in 0.21 decimal is after 2 place from right, and in the number 0.4 the decimal is after 1 place from the right, and in the product decimal is after 2 plus 1, that is 3 place from the right. So we have to write down 0.084. So here in 0.21 there is a 2 digit after a decimal 2 1, and in 0.4 there is 1 digit after decimal 4. So we have to count all the decimal all the digits after decimal, that is 214, that is equals to 3. And now we have to count the in answer 480, and then we put the decimal value, then we get 0.084 answer. Rule of multiplying decimal number. Thus, in multiplying two numbers expressed in decimal, following rule is used. Write the two decimal numbers, removing the decimal, and multiply them. Count the digit on the right side of the decimal in the two decimal number. Now, put the decimal point in the product such that the number of digit after decimal in the product is equal to the sum of number of digit after decimal places in the given decimal numbers. If we needed, put 0 on the left side of the digit after decimal. Multiplication of decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. See here example 2.35 into 10 equals to 235 by 100 into 10, that is equals to 235 by 10 equals to 23.5. Here we see that on multiplying 2.35 by 10, decimal is shifted one place towards right. In second example, 2.35 into 100 equals to 235 by 100 into 100, that is equals to 235. In this we see that decimal is shifted one digit more on the right, and the answer is 235.0. Next is we have to multiply 2.35 by 100, decimal is shift 2 place to our right. See here 2.35 into 1000 equals to 2350. Again decimal is shifted one digit right. Lastly, here we see that multiplying 2.35 into 1000, decimal is shifted 3 place to the right, and we are going to write down 2.35 into 1000 equals to 2350.0. So we know that when the number of 0 is increasing, the digit is also shifted according to the 0 towards the right of the any decimal number in multiplying. Example 375.23 into 4. In 375.23, number of digit after decimal is 2. In 4, number of digit after decimal is 0, and 2 plus 0 equals to 2. Hence, when we multiply 375.23 into 4, we get 150092. And now from the right side we have to count the decimal digit, and we have to put the decimal digit after 2 digit. So we count 2, 9, 2 digit is left. So now put a decimal value here between 0 and 9. Then we get an answer 1592. Example 10.05 into 1.05. In 10.05, number of digit after decimal is equals to 2. In 1.05, number of digit after decimal is equals to 2. Here we add 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Now when we multiply 1005 into 105, we get 105525. Now we have to count the decimal, count the digit from the right side of the number, and after 4 digit we are going to put the decimal. So after 4 digit 5255 we put a decimal, and then we get a number 10.5525 as an answer. Example 315.5 into 1000. In 1000 there are 3 zeros, and hence decimal will be shifted 3 places toward right. Example 315.5 into 1000, and we are going to shift the decimal. So we get the answer 3,15,500 as a answer. Next example is a two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liter of petrol? See here answer. 1 liter of petrol, two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 km. In 10 liter of petrol, two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 into 10, that is equal to 553 km on 10 liter of petrol.